The recycling from industrial waste is the process of converting discarded or unused industrial waste materials into new products of greater value, quality, or utility. Today, many industrial designers worldwide are using their expertise in this process to create and reuse valuable functional products from waste materials such as textiles, plastics, paper, and metals. Not only that, but in the current era, the demand for environmentally friendly products is increasing. So, recycling waste materials into beautiful, useful products not only benefits the planet, but also creates incredible opportunities for you to make a profit. In this situation, if you are a person who cares about sustainability and creativity, starting this recycling business from waste could be the right venture for you. So today in this video, we will take a detailed look at how to start recycling business from industrial waste. So friends, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch until the end. And also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get the latest news of upcoming videos first. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Examples of recycling products. Today, many companies around the world are creating amazing products from industrial waste. For example, the Swiss company Freytag creates premium bags from old lorry tarps, which are now a global fashion brand. Also in India, startups like Bamboo India, Remake India, and Green the Cape are creating various items like furniture, jewelry, bags, and home decor items from recycled rubber, metal, and fabric. Moreover, these products are unique to the people, sold with a story, and therefore they easily connect with environmentally conscious customers. Yes, today's customers don't just buy a product, they buy a purpose. And this is the biggest strength of the recycled business. Why industrial waste is the next big business? Today, millions of tons of industrial waste are generated every year worldwide, be it industrial plastic, waste, metal parts, fiber, rubber, wood, or leftover fabric pieces. Until now, these were discarded as garbage. But in fact, today they are becoming reusable, and yes, the sustainable goods market in India is growing at a rate of approximately 30% annually. And in the global market, the recycling industry has reached a size of over $53 billion and is growing at more than 10% annually. This is not just a trend, but also proves to be a sustainable and profitable global business model. Therefore, starting a recycling business that produces useful products from an industrial waste can be a good idea. Where to learn the business? Now, if you are new to recycling, the question arises as to where to learn it. Don't worry, friends. Today, various training institutes offer courses on recycling both online and offline, so you can get trained there. For example, online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer courses on sustainable product design and recycling business. Apart from that, in India, institutes like National Institute of Design or NID, IIT Delhi, that's the Department of Design, and NSIC Technology Centers offer hands-on training in sustainable product development and recycling technology. Moreover, these courses teach you every aspect of material handling, design innovation, and business organization. How much investment is needed? Friends, it is best to start this business with low or medium capital because your biggest expense is raw materials, which are available at very low prices. Starting on a small scale, an investment of around 5 to 2 lakh rupees, that is 6,000 to 12,000 US dollars, is sufficient for basic machinery, design tools, and material processing for factory setup. While for a large-scale business, the initial investment can be as high as 50 lakhs, that is $60,000 or more. Remember, this investment amount is just an estimate. It may vary depending on your location. So start with a small team, including a designer, a craftsman, and marketing staff. Location selection. Initially, you can start with a small area of your garage, but as your business grows, you will need at least 500 to 1000 square feet of space for this business, which you can set up in an industrial area or a low-rent workshop zone. In particular, choosing a good location near factories that generate industrial waste can reduce your transportation costs. More importantly, you will also need to follow local regulations to ensure that your business does not cause any waste-related problems in residential areas. License for business. Friends, if you're starting a business from India, first you need to get Udayam registration. GST number and NOC certificates and permits related to waste management and recycling from local municipal corporation or state pollution control board is also necessary. Also, if you want to export your products, you will need an import-export code or IEC. Raw material and machinery for business. You can buy your raw materials from many sources. You can directly approach manufacturing units, textile mills, metal manufacturers or local factories, scrap yards, and buy waste materials from them at low prices. The machinery required for this industry varies depending on the product you choose. Generally, you will need machines for cutting, grinding, molding, and polishing. You can buy these raw materials and machinery from suppliers from B2B platforms like Indiamart, Alibaba, Trade India, and initially, semi-automatic machines are sufficient as they reduce cost and increase production. Recycling process. First, decide what products you want to create from recycled materials to take your place in the market. For example, there are many different types of products such as stylish bags from old jeans, trendy furniture from shipping pallets, or unique jewelry from e-waste circuit boards. Therefore, you can make a variety of products according to the raw materials you have purchased. Importantly, your final product should not only be attractive, but also functional and durable to attract the customer. Marketing your business. Now you need to create a marketing strategy to sell your recycled products, one that will convince customers that they are helping the environment by buying your product. So first, market your industrial waste recycling business on building B2B relationships through a professional website, and develop a strong digital presence through social media engagement. At the same time, you can attract corporate clients by utilizing online B2B platforms and attending trade shows. Also, ensure a high quality and consistent supply of your recycled materials to build long-term relationships with customers. Finally, promote your brand with taglines like eco-friendly, artisanal, and purpose-built. Friends, the world is moving from a linear economy to an ecological economy, where nothing is wasted and everything is reused. Moreover, various governments are now offering subsidies, tax breaks, and startup grants to eco-friendly businesses. Therefore, in the next 5 to 10 years, the recycled product market will be one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. So if you want to start a business that will save the planet and make you rich, it's time to create wealth from waste. Because remember, waste is useless unless a sensible person touches it. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.